全てが幻
Hello guys! So today we are going to be playing Minecraft The Hive. So guys, we're gonna be playing some bed wars. I'm breaking everyone's bed, you know. We're gonna kill everyone, guys. You know, last episode I met ASWD, so I took his clothes, you know. I kinda look like him now. You can see my face, guys. I look very, very cool. I have an upside down L, like a tongue, and I don't have teeth in the upper side of my mouth. I look amazing. So, guys, this is my farmhouse. I grew some beetroot over here. As you can see, my beetroot. This is my beetroot, and I have some wheat and all. So, guys, I'll show you my farm and everything. But first, let me just get these settings fine. So, guys, now I'll show you my farm. So, guys, this is my farm. It's really good. Let me show it to you guys. And here's my train, you know, guys. It's great. I can't sit in it, so I just follow it like this. Yeah, see? I sit in my train. Now this train's gonna take me to Bed Wars. Please? Can you move? Can you move? Yeah. See? This train is just so great, you know. Now it'll take me to the hive. Let's go back, guys. It's so fun, dude. This train's the best. You can see the view, guys. It's so good. Bro, where's this train taking me? It's taking me to hive, right? Oh my god, we're going up, dude. Bro, this is so cool, dude. Okay, guys. I think we have reached to hive. What? I'm inside, dude. What are you doing, dude? Where's this train taking me? This is a pretty fun ride, guys. But, bro, what the hell? When is this gonna end? Bro, how big is this map of Hive, dude? It's amazing, but, bro, where are you taking me? Where is Hive? Take me to Hive, please. It's gonna be pleasure. Just take me to Hive. No, I don't want to go in these mines. What the heck? What the heck? Where is this train taking me? Bro, this train is taking me to fishy area. Bro, what the heck? Okay, I'm getting out. This train is trash. Okay, I'm getting out. Let me find Hive. I don't know where Hive is. Okay, that's the train. Bye, train. Okay, just go quick. Where is Hive? What the heck, dude? I'm a train tag again. How tall is this mountain? Is it unreachable to... Okay, what the hell? Get on top of this mountain right now. Okay, now let me find Hive. What the hell, guys? I think we are not gonna be able to play Bed Wars this video. Where the hell is Hive? That's the parkour course. Okay, let me just find Hive. You're gonna not find the Hive? Okay, then I'm gonna just do it the hard way. Oh my god! How am I jumping? Dude! Chill! Chill, dude. Bro, that's a sewer. I don't want to go inside of that. No, 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 no. Okay, we're out of the sewer now. Well, I already am dirty. Because I'm ASWD. Just get in, dude. Can't you walk, dude? You're tired already? Dude, where are we? Are you serious? Finally, we found Hive, guys. We are the fastest. I love myself. This is the entry to Hive. Well, how do I get up? Is this the way up? Okay, it seems like this is the way up. We finally reached. Let's play Bed Wars. like we just wasted the first 5 minutes, and this video is not gonna be longer than half an hour. So guys, just expect like one game less Bed Wars. Let's do some solos. Then we're gonna do those, and then we can end the video because we don't have that much time to be. Guys, see my stats. You know, I'm a pro. I'm level 5. I played 69 games, dude. I'm the proest player in the world. 69, dude. 67 kills. After this game, guys, I guarantee you, we're also gonna have 69 kills, 69 games, and everything is gonna be 69. I'm gonna be level 69. Well, that doesn't even exist. Max level is 50, but it's gonna happen for me, guys. It's gonna happen for us, guys. I'm gonna be level 69. Yo, dude. Where's my gen? Okay, let's just be a noob. Let's break our bed, you know. Can you even do that? I'm curious to know. You can't destroy your own bed. Okay, that's an obvious reply. Let's just die to pass some time. It's at 4, it's 5. It's supposed to be 5 now. Let me take it 5. Okay, let's buy some wood. Okay, guys. Bro, guys, so fast. Bro, he's so fast at bridging, dude. Well, I'll just destroy his bed then. But then I need to get a sword. So let's get a sword first. It should be 10 iron. 10. So that I can cover my bed and buy a sword. Just buy something. Chill, dude. Chill. They're already destroyed, dude. Okay, dude's dead now. No! I didn't even build the bridge. I hate myself. I know I'm gonna lose, but let's just do it. Let's just do it. No! I'm dead. I'm dead for sure. I'm dead for sure. No! It's a sword! It's a sword! No! Okay, let's do a new game. Okay. Let's go somewhere, guys. Let's find the treasure, It's the ritual for our videos. We have to find the treasure. Last time we didn't find the treasure because there was not enough time and plus I fell. But this time we actually did find the treasure. Like, see, congrats. Bro, this is so nostalgic. I love treasure. Okay, it started. Okay. Oh, the ritual, is the new ritual. First, try to break your bed, then you can't destroy your bed, and then you jump in the void. It's a new ritual, guys, so we can follow this ritual every time we make a video. It's gonna be very interesting. Give me 5 iron, you're 4. You should be fine now. Okay. No. What am I doing? Oh, this is the slowest buy ever. Bro, they've already built a bridge, dude. Bro, what am I doing? Bro, okay, I'll just bridge like this. Guys, we are not Bedrock players. We are Java players, guys. We are the best Java players. We don't play Bedrock, dude. He's probably already got a sword. So let's a faster way back. Is it? Okay, I hate myself. We have 14 iron. Let's just buy some blocks. Let's just cover our bed. Me just wasting blocks. It's the casual me. No! How did I do it again? What am I made of? Dirt? Bro, I'm losing all these games. I know I'm not powerful enough because I know that. Please destroy my bed, someone. I really want to die. I really want to die. I don't want to survive. I don't want to survive. Bro, Magenta is already dead, dude. They're long dead. Okay, this time I'm not gonna fall. I know I'm already understacked, but it's fine. Okay, I did it. I did it. Okay, they did it. Oh my god! Jackpot! No! The fuck! The flippin' dude. Well, that kill was hot, but I am not.
Huh?
Okay, let's kill someone now. Let's kill Magenta. Magenta is already dead. What am I thinking? They're coming. They're coming, right? Bro, I'm dead. I'm long dead. Bro, what's your problem, dude? What's your name? Let me follow this guy. What's your name, dude? What's your name? I'm gonna report you. Let's go back to hub. Let's leave this game. Use. Okay. I want to play. What should we play? Let's play squads because I'm not good alone. I'm not good. I'm actually not good alone. Like, I'm the worst player in this history of Bed Wars when I play alone. Okay, I'm back. He's my guys. Bro, please don't share the gen. Please. I'll hate you. Bro, just get away, bro. Bro, he's a good guy. He listens to me. He just got away, dude. Bro, just get away. Please don't share the gen. I hate gen sharers. Please don't come. Bro, why are they all black? Seriously. Bro, why is it changing his skin? How is it even doing that?
Huh?
Okay. Okay. Let's build over. Let's destroy someone's base. Bro's contributing, dude. Bro's a faster build. How did he even build that? Okay. He's a nightmare. Okay, let's destroy someone's base. Let's fast kill someone. Blue's already coming. Blue, are you coming? Blue just built to the diamond gen. They waste in blocks. Dude. Bro, dude, collect the emeralds. Yellow's coming. Yellow's not coming. Bro, then who's coming? Red, are you coming? You're supposed to be good boy. What? Bro, come. You wanna wrestle? Okay, I understand. They're probably getting stacked, so that they just straight away come and they're just gonna kill me. So guys, this time we're just gonna build the goofiest bed defense that's ever been. Bro, don't take the gen, please. I hate you. What the? No! 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 Oh, no. That was a fast kill. Well, we'll not do that again, okay? Okay, he just fell down. Just like a noob. Well, I'm stuck. This is the best place to get stuck. You know what? I don't even want my life anymore. 69 games. That's probably 71 because I played a lot. 2. Okay. Let me just oh, they're gonna share the gen, right? Please don't. Girl, let's don't talk too much. Bro, get out, dude. Bro, what the heck? Bro, what the hell? He's get out. Are there 2 gens? So one gen's here. Okay, I'm gonna take this gen now. And this is my strategy to win, dude. M5, where's the buy guy? He's the buy guy. Let's just buy blocks. Let's build over. No, we're not doing anything this game, guys. We are just relying on building the best bed defense that's ever existed. And it's gonna be random. It's not even gonna be like a bed defense. Bro, my teammates are understacked. Bro, I need 5. 5. Let's just get the most blocks in the world. Don't take them, please. Don't take this. Please give me the gen. Okay, bro, someone already upgraded the gen, bro. They're gods. Now I can also get wood. That's 5 gold. And that's so much cheaper. You just get 32, you know, straight away. Okay. They're already replacing. That's good.
Huh?
Let's buy some more blocks, guys. Buy this just for personal safety reasons. And let's just build. Okay. Okay, I have oak planks. Stronger planks is equal to more durability. And no one's breaking my bed now. That's the fastest time anyone's placed a whole stack of blocks. Like seriously, I think so. Abhishek? What the hell? Bro, she's a girl, but her name is Abhishek. What the hell, dude? We can buy some more blocks. Someone stores anything here? Okay, let's buy some more blocks. Okay. Let's just finish these in like 5 seconds. Bro, that was less than 5 seconds. Okay. Bro, our teammates are probably saying, what's this guy? I hate this guy. But guys, you're gonna hate me. Hate me as you want. Hate me as much as you want. I'm gonna make you hate me. Let's take some diamonds. We can make our bed out of deep slate. That's a lot of diamonds. That's 9. That's 4. Like we can buy 32 deep slate with that. That's great. Let's take all this stuff and then we can buy bunch of blocks. Bro, that guy's fully iron armor already. But I'm wasting my blocks so much. Bro, let's just build like the goofiest thing like that's existed. Okay, let's just build like the strongest barrier out of mixes of blocks. No one's coming to our base, guys. We're winning this game. Bro, no fireball, nothing is obliterating my base. Bro, our base is the best. Someone's coming, dude. Bro, you got cover, dude. You covered, dude. Okay. Just build. Place locks. No one should be able to enter our base. The wall should be at least 2 blocks high. Okay. Out of resources. Bro, that's a lot of resources. That's stacked. Okay. Bro, my teammates are just stacked. Overstacked. So many blocks, guys. Let's get 25 gold. It's 24. Don't take that, please. Don't take that, please. Yeah. Now we have 25 of both. So now we can just buy lots. Okay. This is madness. This is madness. This is seriously madness. Bro, I have 5 stacks of blocks and I love it. Okay. Okay. No one's coming to my base, you know. Guys, this is my best base. This is the best base, guys. Guys, let's just make the best base. अभी मैंने 50 minutes पहले लिया. Guys, let's. Okay, I forgot this wall. This is supposed to be built right now. Okay. Okay, that was good. Okay, I still have stacks of blocks, so no worries. Build. Okay. Okay. Bro, no one's coming to our base. It's not possible. It's not possible. Just understand. You're not coming to our base, dude. Just understand. Let's just buy something for our personal safety, you know, because you gotta understand. I also have to be safe personally, you know. Then I won't be able to build anything. If I'm not safe myself, if I die myself, then how are we gonna build a defense, dude? What's the defense for it? Bro, you coming? Bro, no, you're not coming. Bro, you're not coming. Bro's not coming. Bro just ran away, dude. He's scared. He's scared. This is the best base ever. He's just scared, you know. He's scared. He's not gonna survive. I'm too stacked with blocks. Bro, guys probably be thinking, bro, I built every single block over here. Like, they might be thinking, what this guy, is he the world record speedrunner for building stuff? Like, I really don't get it. How am I building so fast? Just keep placing blocks randomly. No worries. Oh, this is left. Okay, it will be filled very nicely. I have stacks of blocks and probably more iron and gold waiting for me. No one's entering this base today. They're not. Okay, let's take the gen. Can you give me the gen, please? This gen should be very stacked. Okay, let's wait for quite a while. Until then, let's see what's going on. So people can also invade us from the back. Oh, I didn't. Bro, no. Bro, who destroyed my bed? Dude! Who put that fireball? Bro, did you seriously do that? No. Bro, where is that guy? Bro, underpowered dude. Okay, I killed Sadhu. Bro, he was stacked. Guy was just super stacked. I can buy fireballs now. Let's just buy fireballs. Let's buy apples and fireballs. And wait, super stacked.
Huh?
Oh my god, this guy was stacked. Okay, our best is destroyed. Can buy multiple gapples at least. Where are my gapples? Okay. First, let's get some blocks, you know. Our bed's destroyed, so no time wasting. Okay, dude. Bro, it's dead. Okay. Let's leave the game. Let's play a game of Skywars. Because it's the game for sweats, you know. And I'm a sweat now. Don't you think? I'm playing better, guys. Please trust me. I'm just playing better, right? Am I just not playing better? Just trust me, guys. I'm a sweat. I sweat a lot. Sky Wars. Guys, I'm a sweat. Lucky yours. 4 players. Lucky yours, 4 players. Okay, let's play this. Okay, guys, what the hell? They're not gonna ask me for the map. Seriously. Let's just die. I hate myself. Who is preparing the world? I'm dead. Okay. Okay, guys, we're here. I don't have much time left. So, guys, this is gonna be the last game we're gonna play. It's just gonna be, we're gonna end it off with a sweet pinch of Sky Wars. Okay, let's get some armor first. Bro, just stealing all the. So, guys, that didn't end well. A call came from my friend, and the Sky Wars game. I left the Sky Wars game, and now I can't make any more videos because my mother's angry and she's gonna slap me. So let's just end the video, guys, now. So I hope you like it. So I'm very sad, guys. I want to cry. So bye, guys. I'm gonna go under the tree and I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. So bye, guys. In my mouth.